will talk about how can you enable two-factor authentication on your Temu app. We're going to figure out the solution or know how you can do that on your app. So you just follow these ways, then it's going to work with you. All you have to do, you just go down here, you click here on you down here. When you just click here on you, so then it's going to take you to this list. It's going to show for you like this here. Then all you have to do now, just go above here settings, click on it. So then it's going to take you to this list. It's going to show for you like this here. You click here on account security here, just click on it. So when you click here on account security, it's going to take you to this list here. Then you come here to factor authentication here, click here on turn on. So then here add password. I'm going to add this password here. And then you click here on search. So I have to add here wrong password. So my password is enabled with us now. Then you click here, can you select if you want to add it for number or authentication app. Then you click on continue, then it's going to add with you. That's all. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribe.